guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, I am Stella of JadorFashion.com. I'm a fashion and lifestyle blogger, and for those of you who are returning, welcome back, and thank you everyone new and old returning people. Thank you all for your support. So today I'll be sharing unboxing of some of the things that I recently got in the past couple of weeks. And before we get into the unboxing, let's do some, the typical. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please hit the subscription button. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my posts. And also, if you can know where else you can find me, all fashion posts can always be found on my blog, Jador-Fashion.com. Make sure you check it out. And on Instagram right here, you can find all my daily outfit posts and so many behind the scenes and so many goodies. Anyways, let's get this started. This is gonna be quick. This is gonna be fun, and I hope you like the pieces that I picked. And if you're considering anything or any question, just drop it in a comment. And yeah, let's get this started. So let's start with a perfume that I got. Interestingly, this perfume that I got was recommended by one of my followers on Instagram, probably sometime last year when I shared some of my favorite perfume collections, and a couple people recommended this. And I think when I went into a Dior store, I smelled this and I love it. So I decided to finally get it after I've been putting it up for months. So finally got this, and next video I'm going to share a lot of my perfume collection, which I'm a big fan of collecting perfumes. Anyways, let's get this started. This is Christian Dior, and let me show you what it is. Can you guess what perfume I got? Have you tried any Christian Dior? I actually have the J'adore, which matches my name. I got that as a gift from my dad, and I still have that. So anyways, this is it. Let's see. I love the packaging. Very unique packaging, and it also smells so good actually. So, and I guess when you buy, this is my first time buying directly from the online of Dior, and you get to pick certain samples, and this is a couple of samples that they gave me, or I picked the sample, and I also picked, looks like a travel size of this Christian Dior perfume called Ambre Noir. Hopefully I said that right. So this is samples, but here's the actual perfume. Comes in this box. I got the big size. I didn't even know it was and this is the one that I got. It's called Oud Isfahan. Hopefully I said that right, but this is what it looks like. It smells good too. I can't wait to share a lot about this and a lot of my other perfume collection. But yeah, this is the one unboxing right here of the Christian Dior perfume. So next on my thing to unbox is, I was looking for, I think my first awake mode shoe was this red Mo's that I got like sometime this year when I was going to Miami. And after that, I've been loving a lot of their shoes, and I came across the sandals, and check it out. The heel is not as tall as I usually like my shoes. I usually like my shoes something 4 inches and up, but this is pretty good. Seems like it's about 3, I believe. But definitely one thing that caught my attention with this is the strap here the side strap here and the square shape of the shoe. And this, I got it directly from their website. I usually wear a 40 or 39 and a half, and most shoes, open toe shoes, I go for 39 and a half, and most closed shoe I go for 40. So this is a 39 and a half. I've tried it on or to make sure it fits so that I don't have to return it. But this actually looks, this, I love it. This you can pair it with shorts, jeans, dresses, whatever. Just love, I love the square shape. That's definitely, also reminds me a little bit of the Bottega, but the only difference is I just love the side strap. Very sexy heels. And I'm loving a lot of white sandals. I'm not sure. This might be my second white sandals, but with this shape, this is my first. So this is what it looks like. So this is the shoe right here, and this is the square shape. See the strap on the side? How cool is that? So this has one strap. I'm just noticing this. Interesting. This has one strap and this has like two straps here. Very cool. You'll definitely be seeing this on my next blog post soon. So make sure you're checking my blog right here for how I will style this. Maybe I'll style it in one of my next videos as well. Alright. Another favorite brand of shoe that I love. This is Amina Muaddi. I have two of their shoes, with this making the third one. I've been wanting this satin pair for a while, but it's always sold out. Like on my Instagram story, I mentioned when I saw the orange one, and I think the blue one, yeah, I think it was the orange one, and it was available in maybe size 7 and 6. I wanted the orange one. Well, I still want the orange one, but it wasn't available in my size, and I posted the link on my Instagram and it was sold out in a second. So these shoes, they sell out quick. When I got this, not even up to 30 minutes later, after I click to refresh, it's gone. Like, sold out in every size. So this is kind of like giving you sort of like a yellowish lime green. They called it yellow, but I don't know if it has like a little hint of lime green to it. So this, I love these shoes. One thing I love about it is the heels, of course, and the sling bags and the style. It's just something you could wear. I can even wear it with my outfit right now with jeans and slip this on, and I'm good to go. So let me open the other one so that you can kind of have a feel of what they both look like. And for this, I wear, for their shoes, I'm a true 40 in Amina Muaddi shoes. So, and it fits right, fits true to my size. Again, like I said, most closed toe shoes I always go for 40. Most open toe shoes I go for 39 and a half, except if it's some rare brand that I have to size up, I do 40. So this is what it looks like. This is the size. I just love it. I just love the color. Very vibrant, very cute. This is definitely, I love, my go-to outfit usually revolves around jeans and a really cute shoes and a bag. So you probably see me wearing this with denim shorts or cut up jeans and a simple tee and just these shoes. Like, I love it. The next one on my list for this shoe is on the hunt for the orange pair. Like, I literally have signed up to everywhere to be notified for the orange one. So I will love the orange one, and I'll also love the blue and green. Those are the three colors that I love, except I see something else. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing for this Amina Muaddi shoes. And the last but not least, well, the last one is, can you guess what it is? Well, unfortunately, this is, you can't tell what it is because they ran out of boxes. So my essay sent it with this box, which I was a little not loving it, but she's gonna send me the actual box. But can you guess what is this? Well, so I got this since they were having an increase. Yeah, Chanel was having an increase in July 1st. And when my essay showed me this, the color was just, I could not resist the color. It was beyond amazing. Anyways, instead of me showing you the black box, let's just open this up. So you ready? The color is just like, I think most of my Chanel bags are typically in neutral colors, black, white, beige, but I've been looking for color that I would like, but not just because of now, but I'll forever love it. And this is just so me. Let's see. How cute. Can you tell the color already? Look at that. It's a really, like, if you see it in person, the green color, it's sort of like this subtle green color to it. I don't even know what to, this is a classic handbag. It has the gold metal. This is the Chanel 21A. And let's see. Yeah, it's green. The Chanel 21A flat bag is the green NC638. And let's see. Yeah, I'll list everything below in my description in case you're wondering the color code or style code or whatever you need. I'll list all that. So, and this is a small flip bag. How beautiful is she? She needs a name. I need to start giving them names, and she needs a name. Let's call her, let's call her Sage. Say hello to Sage. And inside, so here you go. This is what the inside looks like. And this is the flap. And this is the bag. There's a pocket right here. So let's try to open the... Ah, the color is just everything. This, like, love the size. How amazing is she? This is it. This is it. Let's put this inside. Yeah, I love the color. Definitely, the color definitely caught my attention. And because I was looking to get a mini, but when I saw the small, when she showed me the small, like, I was like, she was like, this is the last small we have. And that's one in this color. And I just knew I just had to have it. This is the handle. If you want to make it longer, you can carry it as a crossbody. Yeah, let's put this down right here. So you can carry it like a crossbody. Let me move back a little so that you guys can see. So this is what it looks like. Love the color. I always carry, most of the time I carry my bag as a crossbody. Only on certain occasions, depending on what I'm wearing, I might just I might just hang on to it like this, or I just hang on to it like this. So here, this is my favorite baby right now, and I haven't taken her for a ride yet. So say hello to Sage. So yeah, that completes more the unboxing. So I got the Dior perfume, we got the Awake shoes, and the Amina Muaddi, and this my latest Chanel. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, or whatever video you want to know, just to say hi. Thank you for watching. Until next time, don't forget to hit the subscription button and the bell button so that you don't miss any videos every Sunday right here on J'adore Fashion blog on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate all your support. Until next time, ciao ciao.